What's the damn deal, guys? You know who it is. It's your boy, Vitamin Fred. We back with another video. As you see the title, we're going to talk about some shit that need to be discussed today. I'm about to go to the gym here in a little bit, but I got a message for you guys. Bro, I know I mentioned before, you know, women in Brazil, they don't really care too much about what a man looks like. They want the man to be the man. They don't really put too much pressure on appearance. You know what I'm saying? It's not the same as if you were in the States. You know, women want they have all these expectations and demands and qualifications on what they want they do to look like from head to down their toe. All right, we know that, we understand that. Let's not get it mixed up, confused, fucked up by any means and thinking that these chicks in Brazil don't want it either. Trust and believe me, bro. These chicks live in the gym damn near 24/8. And the men in Brazil, bro, is your competition for the simple fact they got the one up on you. For one, they speak the language better than you. We're just gonna keep this shit 100, bro. They speak the language better than you. All right. You have many advantages, but language is huge. Now, they also work out, bro. Like the men in Brazil, bro, they work out, and if they're not in the gym, they on the street corners doing calisthenics on the bars and shit. The dudes, they in shape. You know what I'm saying? So don't think you just gonna come to Brazil and just go crazy. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to keep that shit. I just want to let you guys know that, and take your health serious, bro. Don't think you're just gonna go to any country and demanding people to accept you for who you are. You are better than that. We know you better than that. All right? Start taking your physical appearance serious, bro. Wear deodorant. You know, simple shit. Wear deodorant. Females in Brazil love a dude who wears cologne. Now, I don't know a lot of men who do wear cologne in Brazil. I'm sure there's some, but the ones that I know personally, they don't even own cologne, bro. The women that I've met, bro, they are infatuated when a guy smells good. They literally, bro, I have a chick right now who is obsessed with just coming just to like smell me, bro. It's weird shit like that that's just like puts in perspective. Like I met many chicks who literally just love to smell you, bro. Like it's crazy. Here's a funny story, guys. So on 2 different occasions, I met these 2 chicks in Brazil, and they come over, you know, we're doing our thing, and they spend the night, blah, 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 blah. We know how the story go. The next morning, they getting ready to leave on these 2 different occasions. And it was like, hey, because they like to sleep in your shirts. So they slept in my shirt, and it was like, I really like this shirt. It's so comfortable, blah, blah, blah. Can I have it? I'm like, nah, bro, like, I like that shirt. It kept begging, I'll do anything for this shirt. Like, trying to do everything for this t-shirt. I'm just like, bro, all types of shit. So I'm like, bet, bro, you can have the shirt. And they just delighted to have the t-shirt, right? They was like, but can you spray it with the cologne? So sprayed it with the cologne. They just wanted to have the t-shirt as a keepsake and for it to smell like me. That's how much they like for you to smell good. I've never experienced that in the States, you know what I'm saying? So, bro, appearance is everything. Come correct, come 100, take care of your body, bro. Because when you just willy-nilly and don't give a shit, it shows. And they can tell, and your energy just radiates that you don't give a fuck. Could you still get some play in Brazil with being out of shape? Duh, of course. We all know that. Let's address the elephant in the room. You're going to get played regardless. Just because off top, you know what I'm saying? You're an American. So you're going to get played just off of that alone when you leave the United States. Let's just keep it 100, bro. You're foreign, you're gonna get played just because of that alone. But when you look good, if you just look halfway average, right? Your body in shape, your health is good, you put together, you smell good, you got nice fashion taste, bro. And all those alone, you're gonna get hella play. That's without even speaking the language, bro. If you can speak the language a little bit and you got all those things checked off, bro, you fucking undefeated. You'll literally be like a little kid in a candy shop picking whatever the hell you want and everything is free. You feel me? Remember on Rush Hour 2 when he was like, when they was in that massage parlor and Chris Tucker was like, I want her, I want her, I want her. Bro, it's like that. No cap, bro. No cap. Bro, take that shit serious. Take that shit serious, bro. I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer. We finna get in this gym though. On this channel, you know we all about vibes. But at the same time, I'm gonna talk to y'all like a homeboy, you know what I'm saying? So bring that shit close in real quick, bro. Stop being fucking lazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Get in the gym, bro. Start eating healthy. You feel me? We talk about baddies, beaches, parties, all types of shit on this channel, but we're gonna keep this shit a buck today. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna kick this shit long, but bro, y'all need to start taking y'all health serious. And for the dudes that's out there in the gym, keeping a nice physique, I applaud you, man. But for the dudes that's being lazy and just going to all these different countries and thinking women just gonna accept you, yeah, you might have the few that will, but bro, let's come to the table like men, you know what I'm saying, like black kings, and represent this shit to the fullest, bro. Keep your health number one, bro. You know what I'm saying? It can be something simple as doing some simple shit. Go to the gym for 30 minutes out of your day, bro. It don't, get off the PlayStation. Stop texting these bitches. You know what I'm saying? Just go to the gym for like 30, 45 minutes a day, bro. Couple days out of the week. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Get your money right. Get your health up. And you already golden, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta start putting health number one. You know what I'm saying? Especially in the black community, bro. You know, so get your water, man. Start drinking your water, bro. You know, drinking your water, eating colorful foods. Get this shit right, bro. You know, like I said, traveling is good, money is great, but none of that shit can happen without your health. You know what I'm saying? So don't neglect that shit. Keep that shit number one. These different countries, sloppy, lazy, fat, bent out of shape, and just think you're gonna, yeah, it can happen, but you know what I'm saying, bro? You know what the fuck I'm saying, bro. Come correct, man. And don't be saying, oh, I'm just gonna go to this country and they're just gonna accept me for who I am. Bro, you know what you sound like when you say that shit? You sound like these females in the States that be talking about accept me for who I am, bent, out of shape, obese, fat, beat the fuck up. Like, no, bro. Like, we coming to the table like men, you know what I'm saying? Straight, all the way, tip-top shape, in shape, nice, you know what I'm saying? Money right, health right, physique right, all that type of shit. On point, bro. So, I ain't gonna hold y'all long, bro, but that's just a message, man. Stop being lazy. And you know who you are, bro. Stop being fucking lazy. Get in the gym, eat an apple a day, circle your block a few times, get on a bike, get on the treadmill, start eating good, drink your water. Do simple shit, bro. Get active. Put the joysticks, put the PlayStations and shit down, bro, for like 30 minutes out of the day. Get in the gym and get active, man. I'm telling you, bro, that shit, it'll change everything, bro. It'll change your whole outlook on life. It clears your mind, lowers your stress level, all the extra shit that comes with being healthy, bro. It's gonna help you out in the long run. And the female's gonna love you too, bro. Trust me. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna last longer in the bedroom. Bro, there's a lot of benefits to this shit. I'm just gonna keep this shit 100 with you. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, bro. Stop neglecting that shit and putting it off, man. Go ahead and get that shit active. Gallon challenge, you feel me? I ain't gonna hold y'all no longer, you know what I'm saying? One thing about Fred, bro, I ain't gonna keep them vibes and keep it 100 with you guys at the end of the day. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. We'll catch y'all.